As well as being extremely annoying, leaking or overflowing, gutters can be seriously damaging to brickwork and plaster. Our state-of-the-art vacuum makes light work of the most difficult jobs. This latest gutter vac has been specifically designed to create an internal vortex that provides immense suction power. Consequently, it can remove virtually any type of material causing a blockage in gutters or downpipes. Fallen tiles, bricks, vegetation or tree debris present no challenge. In tests, we were able to lift a brick out of a gutter. Using poles fitted with variable suction heads, adaptable to each particular situation, our operatives can reach up to 4 stories, even higher using a cherry picker. We can also use a pole-mounted camera and monitor to check those out-of-sight places which can be recorded and saved. Our system makes sound, economic sense too, eliminating the need for scaffolding or hiring platforms, and we can bring out our own generator to provide power. From a safety point of view, our latest vac operates at 110 volts rather than 240 and is fitted with rubber wheels, making it suitable for use on any type of surface. We carry full public liability insurance, are safe contractor accredited, and our operatives are trained to IOSH standards. So, whether your property is a house, care home, apartment block, factory, showroom or warehouse, call Roger Needle to clear your gutters today.